Hello, family and friends. This is Beverly Black. And how is everyone doing today? I pray that everyone is doing well. I was fixing my dinner for today. I have made meatloaf, it's resting, macaroni and cheese, and I have one bag of collards. It didn't make many, but it's enough to get a helping for everyone. But the holidays are coming up, and I was getting ready to make these yams, and I said, let me do this on a video so you can see how I make my sweet potato yams. Now what I did, this is 3 sweet potatoes peeled and cut up. You can use 3 to 4, 6, depending on how many you need to use. So let me get me a spoon. First thing we're gonna do, now I'm doing this in the oven. A lot of grandmothers will say it's not yams if it's not cooked on top of the stove. But honey, it cooks the same way. You can do the same thing on top of the stove. You don't have to do it in the oven, but I'm doing it in the oven today. And what I'm using is 1 cup of dark brown sugar. 1 cup. Then we're going to sprinkle cinnamon all over it. Do it generously. Just sprinkle the cinnamon. Now I'm going to put a little bit of nutmeg. This spice is strong and goes a long way, so you don't have to use a lot. Now, I have a half a stick of butter that I'm going to cut up all over it. Okay. Now we're going to use 1 cup of white sugar. 1 cup of white sugar. We're going to put all on top of this. Now this will make its own syrup. Some people, the old way, on top of the stove, they would put just a little tad of water and then they start the process. It's different recipes, and you just use whatever you want. Now, to top it off, I'm going to put maybe 3 capfuls of vanilla on top of that. Now we're going to toss it around. Toss it, I can't even talk. Your oven should be preheated to 400 degrees. I'm going to put foil on top of this. And it'll probably bake 30 to 40 minutes. It depends on your oven. They all been tossed. Now I'm going to put the foil on top of it. And when they're done, I will be back and show you the results of how it looks afterwards. I just got the yams out of the oven, and they have made their sauce is there. They are tender. No water was put in them because yams make their own water. Let me give you that's the macaroni and cheese. There you go. Just look at there. Don't they look delicious? I gave you the recipe. So you ready to fix your yams for Thanksgiving and Christmas? There's the meatloaf. and a little bit of collards back there in that pot. But we're about to get ready to eat our dinner because everything has rested. Oh, those yams look delicious. But everyone, be blessed and prosperous. Thank you so much for being a part of this video and sharing with me this time. I want you to remember that I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are a masterpiece. You are truly a masterpiece. Everyone be blessed.